Sharon here. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly relax and enjoy the video. If you're watching me as usual, thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff. And for those watching for the first time, you just finish the video and then you can decide whether or not to subscribe. Okay, so I promised I was going to bring you an honest review about the cloves and the rosemary oil and water. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video where we made the oil and the water so you can do it for yourself. Okay, as the video goes, we are going to see what the results are. Okay, it's been 4 days. I already have my water and my oil. This is what the rosemary water turned out to be. I mentioned it was supposed to turn brown, and that's exactly the result. This is my oil, so I just had this bottle laying around and I decided to transfer. So like I mentioned, it's been 4 days and I have actually been using it. I did take a picture of what my length used to be. We can compare and contrast. I have been judiciously using the oil. Honestly, I feel like even like comparing the first video to this, you can literally see the difference already. Guys, my hair actually feels fuller, and in just 4 days, it's just day 4. It's shinier, to be honest. And one most important thing I have noticed, no itchiness. My hair hasn't itched this week yet. That's very unusual, because normally by this time I am so ready for wash day. Like, I actually cannot wait for the weekend. But then look at me, my scalp is all fresh, my hair is literally looking fuller, it's looking thicker. Guys, am I delusional, or like this is actually happening? Because honestly, no way. Let's go back to the other video just real quick. And now look at this. I think there's a difference, honestly, because unless I'm delulu, hey, and this is day 4. And I'm in butter, cause it's been 4 days. Anyway, we are going to continue for the next 2 weeks. When I am applying the water, this is actually what I do. I just section my hair into 2 parts, and then I just work with that. What I do is I spray my scalp first. Just find ways to spray. Guys, like I mentioned earlier, this actually smells really good, so I'm not even thinking about washing it out until wash day, of course. So I just spray the whole hair. I mean, not necessarily drenched, but then enough to go around. This is supposed to help with your breakage. It's supposed to help with itchiness. It's supposed to stimulate a lot of growth. And honestly, I feel like it's doing just that. So yeah, that's the water done. And then for my oil. For my oil, I just put it in on my scalp. So I just massage a little bit with my scalp massager. And then that's it. So I'm going to repeat this here. And then you can go ahead and just spray on the strands. And that's it. So that's that. This is day 4. So I'm going to be taking snippets of the subsequent days, and then we are going to compare and contrast. Okay, but it's looking really good right now. I think one more review for you is for the oil. When you're using it, it has a bit of the chaff still in it, but then I don't mind. I think you can maybe heat it up a bit and then strain it again if you want that smooth oil consistency. But for me, I actually don't mind. I feel like it works better that way. So do as you will. I completely forgot I had to outro this video, so kindly like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I'll definitely bring you the 2-week video, and I really hope there's a massive difference. But then honestly, in 4 days, I think the difference is quite clear, unless I'm delulu. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and do all the good stuff. Thank you for watching.